Hey guys, today to discuss this about this 70 mile dashcam A400 with rear cam set. Rear cam is the RC09. Okay, to allow for this 70 mile. Okay, and then you can have a look the dashcam A400 plus rear cam set. Okay. So 70 mile is one of the Mi ecosystem Xiaomi company. Okay, now everything, many things, majority all Xiaomi, all made in China. Okay, so this is all the description, and then this one is roughly about 250 lah, around there, the price. Okay, so this the normal one, the main one, and the rear one. This is the resolution and the lens. Okay, so okay, this one is the resolution, this one is the collision detection. This one you need to hardwire connect directly to the battery. Okay, this one is the ultra wide angle, the apps. Okay, then also with the apps now. Okay, same thing. So this one is the parking, we call it parking detection. Because once you disconnect from your USB port or even power socket, the battery is a 500 milliampere hour. So I think it's only lasts less than 1 hour. I'm not sure, I've never tried before yet. So there are many suggestion from this 70 mile. You need to connect the hard wire, there are positive, negative, to directly the battery there. Okay, and then yeah, now I want to show you is the what's inside. Oh, this one is the micro SD card, 64 gig. Okay, so this one we will see later. This one is the one that the camera, the main one. So this one is the description here. Aperture, okay, 70 mile. This one is a speaker with this heat resistant adhesive. Okay, and then some of the power button. Power socket, and then this one is to connect to the rear camera with this micro SD here. Okay, and then yeah, dashcam model A400 input. Okay, manufacturer, and then here is the key lah. Okay, it's the function key here. Button 1, 2, 3, 4. Power is here. This one is the power. Okay, 70 mile. This one is the ventilation. Okay, and this one is the dashcam user manual for this one. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Okay, before the user manual, I want to show you the rear camera.
This one is the rear camera lah, RC09. So the people already helped me to put all the wiring here, but I still cannot stick here due to the tinted. Because tinted, it takes some time for it to properly cure, dry, then the adhesion only strong enough. Okay, so now I cannot connect yet first. Okay, so it may take some time for me to install it. Okay, so due to the limitation of this cable they have put, so I only can straight away install like maybe like this. Okay, yeah, can be turned as well. Okay, it's turnable. Okay, so I think it's like this. like this. Okay, this camera have to towards the back. The wiring here, yeah, they already helped me to put here. Okay, so you need to open the bonnet and then connect. You have to come from here until here, then come down until here. Okay, so this one is the power button. Power button is this one. Okay, and then this one is the connect the real one, the RC09. That is the power button. Okay, so they have, you can see the cable is come from here. Okay, let's say now I just try to connect this one first. Okay, like this. Yeah, and then this one is the, another one is the power. Okay, power as well. Okay, yeah, by right you should connect power first. You need to connect the power first, then only the AV. Okay, so right now we try and see is it any power or not. Okay, yeah, so now it's charging. Okay, with a blue color here. Okay, now we let it charging. Yeah, inside you can see inside there is some board already. Okay, so now I turn it on again. Yeah, this is the camera inside. Okay, so you need to choose button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. So button 2, button 3 go up and down, so you can see. Okay, many languages. For example, we choose English lah, the common one. Okay, then you press the tick. Okay, so I think this is how it works. Okay, yeah, recording, standby, indicator light, meaning green color, blue color, all that. Yeah, when power on, press to turn off on screen, press and hold, turn off. Power off, press and hold to turn on. Okay, yeah, this one is the time lah. Okay, the parking. Yeah, this one is the one that I mentioned. Parking silver cover that cannot enable parking silver. Connect the cable, then it in setting. So this one, you need to have a parking. Parking means when your car is not on, the engine is off, you still can detect. Yeah, this is the one they mentioned.
Please insert SD card.
Yeah.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think it is okay. Take some time to adjust.
Then let me see what it is. Yeah, this one is the heat resistive sticker, and then with this electrostatic, yeah, electrostatic sticker. This one for the main one, this one for the rear one. There are 2 pieces. Okay, and then this one is the user manual. So this is how it looks like. Okay, it is important for you to read first. Okay, how you stick the electrostatic sticker with the memory card, all that. And then yeah, I think very normal only. Yeah, manual, not many things you need to explore yourself. Okay. And then this one is a real one, even simple. But the main one still the 70 my A400. This one. Without the A400, this RC09 also cannot function. Okay.
So now I would like to download the apps, the application for the iPhone. So following the manual here, so I scanned it and then download lah from this iOS. So my country is the Malaysia, it's not listed here. Here only put the China and the US, the big country. So you need to select others, okay? And then I would like to download iOS, so it's iPhone. Okay, let's download now. 70 my, this one for the international one, it's a worldwide. They write out there. Okay. Okay, take some time, download. Yeah, as you know, when you want to sign up, link a device, link a CCTV, link many things, camera, you need to connect to the device. You need to open an account first lah. Okay. So just like the Xiaomi, all that, you need to create an account first. So I will sign up later. Okay. Now we go through this SD card first. It's a new one, so I would like to open it and then insert into the DashCam. Okay. So very fast, I have taken out the SD card. Okay. Then we can straight away put into the DashCam already. Because without this SD card, it won't function. Yeah, I showed you before in the earlier video. Okay, because the system need to detect it. Okay, now I take out and then we can straight away insert into this DashCam. So very easy. Just make sure you put into the correct position. Then you press it, it's a click sound. Okay, very simple. Okay, this is the overall 70 my DashCam, and then I take out the first time screen protector lah. Okay, to make us easy to see.
Please format SD card.
So need to format lah, as you can see. Okay, if not it won't work.
Formatting successful. Please
Yeah,
connect
so
charging cable.
actually the device, everything is already set up. You can straight away use already. So as a rule of thumb, normal procedure, they want you to connect to the charger, meaning connect all the time to the either USB or power socket. Okay, so right now I need to stick on this electrostatic sticker first. Okay, yeah, so I pull out already, and then just like the screen protector like that, then you stick it. Okay, and then you take out this double silo tape also. It's a heavy duty one, it's a very strong adhesion. Okay, so stick properly within the range. Okay, now it's stick already, you can see. And then I also
Switch to
connect
front-facing
everything, the power supply
Switch to rear-facing recording.
connected to the rear camera RC09 as well. Okay, now I want to connect this rear RC09 as well. Okay, yeah, so maybe you cannot see here, yeah, but I already stick the electrostatic sticker, and then I pull out this heavy duty double sided tape as well. Okay, so everything worked fine. Yeah, this is how it will look lah. Okay, make sure you don't stick the wrong way, if not the image will be upside down. Okay.
Switch to
Yeah, this is
front-facing recording. Switch
the
to
actual one lah.
rear-facing
I have
recording.
stick everything, you cannot remove already.
Start
Okay.
recording emergency video.
So you can see now it's an emergency recording. So let's say anything happen, you need to quickly record it down. So you have to press the second button from the left. Okay, meaning third button from the right at the bottom there. Okay. So this is some of the setting lah. You can play around, either use this device as well as apps, the phone there. Okay, both also can let you access directly to this dashcam. So this is the Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi connection to make sure you able to connect from this iPhone or smartphone. So the setting luckily is not many, just easy to understand, not very complicated one, because suppose all the devices cannot so complicated. Okay, should be very user friendly. And then I found out when I want to set up this connection between the apps and this device also
Switch to rear-facing
a bit
recording.
problem lah, but I managed to solve it. Okay, so this is the connection about from these 70 my devices. So this one is important to make sure you're able to connect it. Okay, because when you can connect to the smartphone, then easy for you to do something. Yeah, so this is how I show you to connect your iPhone. So I am typing the password here, maybe you cannot see. Yeah, I press join, I click join, then it's join already. Okay, this is how I connect this iPhone to the 70 my A400 devices. So now I want to show you the apps, 70 my apps. So this is how you connect lah. Okay, once you connect successfully between this iPhone and the 70 my, so you can do all the setting. Actually the setting everything same as the device just now I show you. Yeah, it's the same thing lah. So the good thing is you can access the video you recorded on the road, then you can see from here lah. Okay, so this is how it look like lah. You see the angle also quite okay lah, quite big, wide screen, wide angle. Okay, yeah, you can play around it lah. So a very long video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.